In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from all devices in Amazon Prime. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my Android, but you can do the exact process if you are on iPhone 2 or your computer, doesn't matter. The first thing you need to do is find Prime Video on your phone, click, and it will come on your Amazon Prime. Okay, you need to click at the top right corner right here on your profile by the side this icon. So click and it will come right here. You will see your watch list and your purchases. But you need to click on at the top right corner again on this option and it will come to this page. So you just need to find below clear video search history, sign out of all Amazon apps. So click right here and you just need to confirm your action clicking on this second option, sign out, and you will confirm the sign out of all devices in Amazon Prime. Okay, I hope I helped you how to log out from all devices in Amazon Prime. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.